Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Minami here again with another bomb tutorial. How you all doing? Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you all how to apply false lashes by yourself, a beginner's friendly video. I hope you're going to like this video. If you like it and it's helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. Okay, so with all that said, let's jump right into this video. So the first thing to apply false lashes, of course you need a pair of lashes, and the lashes I'm going to be using today are from KAFEH Beauty. It's a Cameroonian brand. This is how it looks like. That's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So some months back they had a giveaway and your girl participated in the giveaway and I won. I was one of the winners, so I decided to do this review for you guys who might want to buy lashes from KAFEH, and also show you how to apply your false lashes. So I have two different styles here. They have no names, they actually have just numbers. As you can see, they don't have names, so it may be a bit difficult to know them. So this one is written S24M. That's the style I'm going to be using today. And this longer one is written on it S808. Okay, so let's see how they look like. So when you buy the lashes, this is how it looks. It has a plastic opening. You're going to peel it off and taking it out like this. Wow, it's so strong. It reminds me of those CDs, like those cases, I don't know, they used to have in those days. It's really strong, so it's nice, and it's nice for storage. You can always keep your lashes there. This is how it looks like inside. Oh wow, this is how it looks like. It has a nice marble bag written on it, last by KAFEH. That's so cute. KAFEH, thumbs up, keep doing the good work. I like it when girl bosses no what I mean. So with all that said, do want to grab a pair of lashes from KAFEH and let's get started. I started off by going into this mascara from Chanel, and I'm just going to coat my natural lashes. This is especially in the case where you applied your eyeshadows before. Some eyeshadow might have fallen on your natural lashes and you don't want your lashes looking dirty under your falsies. It's going to look like a very big mess. And when trying to take out your lashes from the case or the box or whatever it came in, you want to gently pull it down and not rip it off or try to pull it, because you might end up destroying your lashes. These lashes are very fragile, especially mink lashes. They are so fragile. On trying to peel it off, from my experience, you might end up ripping up the lashes or destroying it, and you don't want that. The next tip is to measure your falsies against your natural lash line. Different individuals have different lid spaces, so you want to measure and cut off the excess. Some of these lashes come longer, such that you can customize it and cut it such that it suits your eyes perfectly. The glue I'm going to be using today is a hair bonding glue. Please, nobody should get to me. That's what works for me. You can use any other adhesive of your choice, and do well to kind of sway the lashes from side to side so that it gets tacky, a bit sticky before you apply it. So I'm just going to use my tweezers to place the falsies as close to my lash line as possible, and then I'm going to go in with my fingers. I feel like as a beginner, using your fingers is better off because it gives you more control. You can easily control the whatever with your lashes. And you see me looking down because I have my mirror slightly below my chin. It's very important how you hold your mirror. You cannot hold your mirror at the front. You're not really going to have a better view. So you want to hold your mirror, you need a small mirror, and kind of look down on it such that you see your eyes very well and you're able to apply it seamlessly. Okay, so I'm just going to use my tweezers and place my lashes at the center, then try to pull in the ends, pull in both ends, and that's how you do it, in case the tweezers work for you. But they are actually beginner tweezers which have a more broad head or something, but I feel like with your fingers you do it even better. So I'm just going to pull the falsies and make sure it looks nice, then go ahead with my tweezers or your fingers to kind of blend them together. That's pressing on the falsies with your natural lashes such that they blend well together. And you might decide to end here or go ahead to apply your liner. And the reason why applying your eyeliner is important, because in case you're using lash glue which may stain your eyelids, because you're not perfect, it's not every day that you just apply your lashes without maybe staining your eyelids, but there are different adhesive which may be transparent, and in case you do any errors it might not show. But in case you use this hair glue or any other lash adhesive which may have stained it, just don't worry, just go ahead and use your eyeliner and just correct whatever. Okay, if you did love this video, do also give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the lashes. Thank you.